have you refused to pick my call last night?
Respect yourself. Don't you know that we are outside? Huh? We are outside.
Meaning what?
Meaning that you have to be more matured to know when we are outside or not. Okay? Besides, you know what is trending in this world now. The pandemic. It needs complete total social distancing.
And how does social distance apply to us?
It does apply to us. Yes. We are just boyfriend and girlfriend. We're not even yet married. Do you understand? We need to be very, very careful and give ourselves some distance. Okay? Besides, this disease is like HIV and AIDS. It does not show on anybody's face. But the worst part of this disease is that it kills within weeks. We have to be very, very careful. Oh yes, we have to be very careful. We have to obey the rules and regulations that guides this pandemic. Especially social distancing, even on bed.
Listen, Okoro. You're not Okoro. I can never mix up my feelings to anything. Not even to that disease you are talking about.
I can see you have no conscience at all.
Really? Okoro, it's you that doesn't have conscience. You must come back here and have sex with me, oh. Else, I will go somewhere else and look for it. Rubbish.
My brother, you're right. In our own bank now, we do tests every day. Yes. Before you enter our bank, they will first of all test your temperature. You will wash your hand and you will now use sanitizer to sanitize your hands. Okay? And there is some amount of customers that we accept at a time so that we can checkmate the social distancing properly.
In that case, I will act fast. Makanima nandi Igbo sere na nkwucha abụrụ ụjọ.
That's the truth.
And nganga ka eji agbali ifi ọsọ.
Let me still tell you. Social distancing is also applicable for married couples.
Okoro, are you trying to say, or do you mean by anywhere trying to tell me that there will be no longer bedroom activities again?
For now, yes, for now. That's what I'm telling you. Because you don't even know where your spouse visited. You don't even know the person that she mingled with. Okay, so you need to abstain from sex for the meantime. And listen, we that are still looking for a woman to marry, we need to be very, very careful the way we bring in Mbeke, Mbori, Chioma, and the Wamaka. Do you understand? The way we change girls every now and then. Because you don't even know the girl that is carrying the disease. So we have to be very careful and hold ourselves. We need to hold ourselves this particular period.
Okoro, let me just be open with you. I don't think this thing will be possible.
In the meantime, it's possible.
It will not be possible because
Lord, listen to me. I know that Akwara aburo shishin koji abonko. But I want to ask you something. Love making, sex, is it meant for the living or the dead? Oh, good. So it's better for you to abstain now that we have a world pandemic and the one disease is scattering the whole world. It's better for you to abstain from sex this particular period.
And you know
abstain from pure from this particular period for your undo to be with you, for you to live long.
And you know if I die now, another person will come and take
Exactly.
I won't die.
Exactly.
I no one die.
Exactly. So you don't need to die. Look at the mansion that your mother left for you. So if you are so careless and you die, whoop it.
Benson.
Baby.
Benson.
You're there. That's good.
Oga Benson.
Benson.
I hope my girls really satisfied you.
Wow, they are just black.
I told you.
You're too much. Wow.
The fresh ones. The ones that just come back, where their money never even go down at all. Bring them so that we can turn their head around. Give them Niger style.
Janet, listen. This is Ben for you. We are back and we're back for real, for business. Expect more.
I trust you. Don't disappoint.
You're there.
And see my girls, so I want make them receive a lot. Nah, as today here now.
Yes, I will do that.
Oga Benson.
Just give me 5 minutes.
Oga Benson.
Yes, baby.
I beg, the alert.
Wow.
Don't waste time.
You don't have problem.
I don't waste time.
You don't
I
have
trust
problem.
you now.
All right.
Okay.
You're on my way now. Okay.
Okay.
See you tomorrow. All right.
Wahala digo, aye, people done they shiver.
Hey!
Landlord.
Madam tenant. Hey!
What is the meaning of this now? Why are you obstructing us, tenants, from going into the compound? Moreover, when did you turn to a now? You don't feel shop where you go sit down and relax.
Hey!
Question mark. Full pump. I am standing here, blocking this gate for people like you, so that I can protect my reasonable tenants inside.
Okay, Lalo, what do you mean?
What do I mean? Better question. What I mean is that you people, you are the rightful carrier of this disease. In fact, you are the disease himself.
Jesus Christ!
If I hear you mention Jesus Christ again, don't you ever mention that innocent man name here again.
God forbid! I don't suffer. Okay, landlord, what's your problem?
Madam tenant, I don't have problem.
Enough of your insult, Enough of your insult. If it's just because I'm owing you common 2 months. 2 months rent. Is that why you are insulting me like this? Don't worry. This lockdown will soon be over. I'll pay you your money so that you stop insulting me. Allow me to go into my flat.
You just said it. You know, that is why I like you. You just remember that you are owing me 2 months. Chim goes here. Thank God you will pay me. But what I want to tell you people is that before you will enter inside this house, you will make sure you see that bucket over there. You will go and wash your hands with soap and the water before you can be able to enter here. Or else, I will go inside by myself and bring out all your loads outside here, because your house rent self, he has already expired.
Honestly, what you are doing is very, very bad. Nobody will deny the knowledge of the pandemic, but the way you are going about it is very, very annoying. Are you the only landlord in this area? Madam Azurigi.
You know, when I look at you, Nana, leave it. It is my house. Today, Venza will drop you. Tomorrow, Homa Jeep will drop you.
It's not your business.
What I'm trying to tell you is that before you enter inside this house, you will wash your hand with soap and water. Failing to do that, you know that your house rent has even expired.
You are very, very annoying.
Thank you.
You are very, very annoying.
Nabem.
So, had it been that my friend that just dropped me off, is still here, this is how you would have insulted me in his presence.
I'm telling you.
This man, you know, get shame.
Thank God he's not here. Because if to say he's here, I will not only embarrass you, I will use this bucket. Sarah in his presence.
Can never happen. You are very, very annoying.
I am very.
You are very, very annoying.
Relocate.
Shut up.
Relocate.
Landlord.
Shut up. Wash your hand.
Because of this house.
Wash your hand.
Wahala dey go. People don dey shiver. When trouble comes.
Sure, you are not satisfied.
You
Sure, you are not satisfied.
let's sigh of my company.
I'll wash my hands.
You can go. Nah, babu, go na and in the everybody, I am seeing you by 9 p.m. because I am having another introduction of the way I want this my compound to be. So better be there.
Oga landlord, welie mayo. Oga landlord, ngwajilie mayo. Oga landlord, mmiri tọgbọ iko. Nnekweti here.
Na landlord wa maka.
Landlord, ogini ka imeli. People don dey shiver.
Oyo,
you and this your car.
You know, this is the only car my father left for me, so I must make sure he's in good hands.
Oh, this car start going outside. That is my wisdom when.
You know,
Since your father left.
you know, the thing is that you have to calm down. Don't worry. Don't worry yourself. Because Ndi was in the world, I got to that to wow. You know I love you. And you are everything I have. So don't worry yourself. Do you know what? This car belongs to my father. And it belongs to me. So whatsoever belongs to me belongs to you. Yes. So you don't have to worry. Very soon now, I will be driving this car. And you will be driving this one. Then all these my enemies of tenants in my house, they will go and hug transformer and die.
They will all die.
Who's
They will all die.
they are dead already.
But don't you know? There's another thing I want to tell you
What could that be?
about this compound. Those people are living in this compound. I don't like the way they are doing it. That's why I don't like attending meeting. Because I'm telling you, as my husband, the day I will attend that meeting, things go spoil.
You see,
One day for me.
my wife. Let me tell you, I am your husband. And everything that is happening in this compound, I know exactly what I'm doing. My mind is there. Do you understand? You see that are coming from the government, they will never see picking of it. It's just only me and you, so that we are well after. Is that the reason why you came out? Just because of this? You don't have to disturb yourself. Go and continue what you are doing. Don't worry, let me arrange the car so that I'm waiting for you. Yes. Hi. Umwani na so. Skata. Ukemba kamposu so kambia. Ukoma kwa kisi efu. Ouchimo. The dust is too much. Okay.